Ready? You want to know where majority of immigrants come from to the... That can be a good one. Can be a blooper. Let's do it again. That guy just completely distracted me.
Yeah.
Thank you for... Good?
Yeah.
Yeah? In this video, we'll talk... again. To make your... make it again. Hello everybody, my name is Jacob Sapochnick and I'm an immigration attorney. Do I need to say that again? What's going to happen is that we're going to be, getting... oh shoot, let's do it again. That was... You don't hear that, right? In the video, yeah. Okay. Thank you for clicking that link. It never happens. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hi everybody, Jacob Sapochnick here again with another video. Because the thing is, with that guy down below, right?
Okay. Let's do one more.
Maybe there's a better way to finish it. Yeah.
Yeah.
How to share and share and. Oh. Let's do it again.
Yeah. You got
Okay.
that,
Okay. Yeah. If your application is at the Texas Service Center, right now they're looking at 15.5 to 19.5. You get your H-1B visa today. No, it sounds too saley. So something like that. So if you're, that's it. Thank you for clicking that link. You now. I wish you success and so how do I end this?